is Dorchelle Bryant, but everybody calls me Shelly. And I've been here 2 years and 6 months. Within a year, I was made a team lead. I get to go to every department. I basically know almost everyone here.
My name is Jenna Goss. I've been working as a custodian at ZA for 8 months now. I've worked in a custodian position before, and this is the nicest place that I've ever worked at. Nobody is ever mean to me, and I get friendly hellos and good mornings every day.
Every single day, they clean 27 bathrooms and 65 toilets, twice. That's enough to serve an airport terminal or a 600-seat venue. Because a clean restroom isn't a luxury, it's a basic human dignity. Did you know a microwave handle can have more bacteria than a toilet seat if not cleaned regularly? They handle all 3 kitchens, so we don't have to worry. Our building is no small task. It's the size of 271 homes in Winston-Salem, or 9.5 football fields. And they clean all of it every single day. Each team member logs over 10,000 steps a day, and that's just at work. That's the equivalent of walking a 5K daily, and with a mop. They keep 345 windows clean so we don't lose our vision. That's over 6,300 square feet of glass, like cleaning 156 movie screens. Now that is transparency at work. A clean workplace doesn't just look good. It boosts morale, reduces stress, and makes employees feel respected. According to the CDC, regular cleaning can cut down illness-related absences by up to 40%. That makes our custodial team mission-critical to workplace health.
My name is Pierre Springs, and I've been with Ziehl-Abegg for 7 months. Aspect of my job that I like is the usage of cleaning equipment. Take, for instance, the floor scrubber and carpet extractor. I like using different equipment, to get the job done.
To our custodial team, thank you very much for your hard work, your dedication, and for keeping our workplace safe and clean and welcoming to everybody. You're not just behind the scenes, you are the reason why we shine.